mga unta ninyo sa akong pagkaon for evening. So before 7 p.m. or 6 p.m. dapat nakakaon na. So this is my meal: okra with sili na green and some corned beef and egg. So diet sa to karon kay pigado pa ang panagad. Okra, corned beef, egg, at saka sili na green.